it's very humbling, to have my colleagues again bestow upon me that confidence.
For the most part, the Democratic leadership in the 31st Guam legislature will remain the same in the 32nd. Speaker Judy Wonpat remains Speaker. Senator B.J. Cruz will remain Vice Speaker. Legislative Secretary is still Tina Rose Muñoz-Barnes, and Majority Leader is still Senator Roy Respicio. Replacing outgoing Senator Judy Guthertz as Assistant Majority Leader is Senator Tom Atta. Keeping his post as Majority Whip is Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr., while Senator Muñoz-Barnes serves as assistant. According to Speaker Judy Wonpat, she hopes to work with the 32nd Guam legislature to focus on several issues to strengthen policies in order to help the economy and create jobs.
Initiatives that are going to be more pocketbook type of issues, because I know that their people are hurting. We know the government, has some economic deficiencies. We know that there's the financial cliff that everyone's talking about. So I think a lot of effort will be focused in that area.
Almost all of the returning Democrat senators are chairing the same committees with a few additional responsibilities and oversight, starting with Speaker Judy Wonpat. She will continue to chair the Committee on Education, Library, and Women's Affairs. Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz chairs the Committee on General Operations, Procurement, the Bureau of Information Technology, Culture, and adds to his oversight the Guam Police Department. Senator Tina Muñoz-Barnes chairs the Committee on Municipal Affairs, Tourism, and Housing. Senator Roy Respicio will continue to chair the Committee on Rules, Federal and Foreign Affairs, but adds on to his oversight election reform. Senator Tom Atta will be chairman over the Committee on Public Safety, Seaport, Utilities, Public Works, and takes on the responsibility of overseeing the Guam Fire Department. Senator Frank Uggan Jr. will chair the Committee on U.S. Guam Military Buildup, Homeland Security, Veterans Affairs, and Judiciary. Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr. maintains chairmanship of the Committee on Health, Economic Development, Health Insurance Reform, and Senior Citizens. Senator Michael San Nicolas will head the Committee on Public Busing, School Busing, Department of Youth Affairs, and regulatory aspects of the Department of Revenue and Taxation. And finally, Senator Ben Pangilinan will continue to be in charge of the Committee on Appropriations, Public Debt, the Office of the Attorney General, but takes on new responsibilities such as overseeing Historic Preservation Trust and the Department of Parks and Recreation. As a new senator, San Nicolas says he's looking forward to his new role and working with his colleagues in the 32nd.
I'm very excited to be working with everybody, and I look forward to learning as much as I can, working with the agencies that I have under me, and doing what I can to improve the level of service to the people of Guam.